something very strange is moving through our solar system. It's fast, it's mysterious, and it's not from here. Astronomers have spotted a new object drifting in from the depths of interstellar space. And it's coming our way. They've named it 3I Atlas, and if confirmed, it will become only the third known interstellar visitor ever recorded in human history. Just three. Think about that. Out of all the billions of asteroids and comets orbiting our sun, only three have ever been confirmed to come from another star system entirely. Now, the discovery of 3I Atlas wasn't random. Between June 25th and June 29th, a pair of telescopes, part of a system called ATLAS, or the Asteroid Terrestrial-impact Last Alert System, detected something odd. ATLAS scans the skies from Hawaii and South Africa, looking for anything that moves in a way that could be dangerous to Earth. But this wasn't dangerous, it was different. After analyzing the data, researchers at NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies realized they were looking at something extraordinary. No software glitch, no observational error. This object was real, and it was moving on a path that made no sense for something native to our solar system. Now, before we continue, if you love unraveling space mysteries and exploring the unknown, make sure to subscribe to Curiosity Echo and hit the notification bell so you never miss a journey into the cosmos. All right, let's dive in. So, what exactly is 3I Atlas? That's the question driving astronomers crazy right now. At first, it looked like a faint, fast-moving asteroid. But when the data was refined, its orbit didn't match anything we'd seen before. Its path, when traced backward, points not to our sun or even to nearby stars, but toward the galactic center. Meaning this object could have been traveling for millions of years, wandering through interstellar space before reaching us. That's when Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, known for his controversial idea that Oumuamua might have been an alien probe, joined the conversation again. He's now urging scientists to use the James Webb Space Telescope to study 3I Atlas in detail, especially to look for signs of non-gravitational acceleration. If you're wondering what that means, it's when an object moves in ways that gravity alone can't explain. No jets of gas, no visible tail, yet somehow it changes speed. That's exactly what Oumuamua did in 2017. And it's what makes scientists quietly ask, what if it wasn't natural? Now, let's rewind to how all this started. In late June, astronomers noticed something faint but fast streaking through their data. At first, they thought it was just another asteroid and gave it the temporary name A2025 L3. But then, as more telescopes tracked it, things got weird. Its trajectory didn't fit any solar orbit. It was coming inbound from beyond the Oort cloud, the farthest edge of our solar system. Then an amateur astronomer named Sam Dean combed through older ATLAS data and found images of the object from days before the discovery. That allowed scientists to reconstruct its path precisely, and that's when they realized it's interstellar. By early July, telescopes from around the world confirmed it. Over 100 observations were sent to the Minor Planet Center, which officially designated it 3I Atlas, the third interstellar object ever detected after Oumuamua in 2017 and 2S Borisov in 2019. So where is it now? At this moment, 3I Atlas is traveling through our solar system at an unbelievable 152,000 miles per hour. That's fast enough to circle Earth 6 times in a single minute. It's currently about 3.8 astronomical units from the Sun, nearly 4 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. On October 3rd, 2025, it will pass near Mars, and by October 23rd, it will reach its closest point to the Sun, roughly twice Earth's distance from it. Then by December 2025, it'll begin its long journey back out into interstellar space. Don't worry, Earth will be safely on the opposite side of the Sun when all this happens. There's no risk of collision. But the mystery isn't about danger, then it's about identity. What is this thing? Some astronomers say it could be a comet, based on faint hints of outgassing. Others argue it's too bright and too stable, behaving more like a rocky asteroid. But brightness is the clue here. If 3I Atlas reflects as much sunlight as we've measured, and if its surface is dark like most asteroids, it could be over 12 miles wide. That's massive, far bigger than both Oumuamua and Borisov. Let's pause for a second. Before 2017, we had never seen an interstellar object in our solar system. Then suddenly, 3 in less than a decade. Is that a coincidence? Or have such visitors always passed by, unnoticed, until our technology became sharp enough to catch them? This is where things get philosophical. If 3I Atlas is interstellar, it's a messenger, a tiny piece of another world, carrying clues about the chemistry, history, and evolution of another star system. In a way, every interstellar object that passes through our solar system is a visitor from another neighborhood of the galaxy. But there's another possibility, one that's harder to ignore. Some researchers speculate that a few of these objects could be artificial, debris from long-dead civilizations, or even functional probes drifting through space. Their odd shapes, unusual trajectories, and unexplained accelerations have sparked quiet debates in scientific circles. No one's saying aliens outright, but let's be honest, the thought does linger in the background. Now, I want to hear from you. If 3I Atlas turned out to show signs of artificial propulsion, would you want humanity to investigate? Maybe even try to communicate? Or would it be safer to simply watch and stay silent? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. What's certain is that this time, we're far better prepared to study such visitors. When Oumuamua passed by, we didn't have the technology ready to analyze it up close. When Borisov arrived, the telescopes improved, but we still caught it late. Now, with the James Webb Telescope and the soon-to-launch Vera Rubin Observatory in Chile, we're about to enter a golden age of sky mapping. The Rubin Observatory will scan the entire sky every few nights, creating a dynamic map of everything that moves. That means the next time something from another star system enters ours, we'll know almost instantly. And maybe one day we won't just watch it pass. Maybe we'll send a probe to intercept it. A mission like the proposed Project Lyra, which aims to chase future interstellar objects, study them up close, and maybe even touch something that was born around another star. Imagine that. A spacecraft from Earth meeting an object from another star system. Two messengers of different worlds crossing paths in the void. That's the kind of encounter that could redefine our understanding of the universe. So, as 3I Atlas sails through our cosmic neighborhood, it reminds us of something profound. We're not isolated. The universe is constantly exchanging material between stars, scattering fragments of other worlds across space. Every once in a while, one of those fragments drifts close enough for us to see it, and to wonder where it came from, and who, if anyone, might have once looked up at their sky watching us. Thank you for watching this far. If you're as fascinated by interstellar mysteries as I am, don't forget to subscribe to Curiosity Echo and turn on notifications so you never miss our next cosmic exploration. If you enjoyed this deep dive, leave a like. It helps more people discover our work. And if you want to support the channel, check out our merch or use the Super Thanks feature below. Now, before you go, one final question. If we ever truly confirmed an object that was artificial, undeniably built by another intelligence, what should humanity do next? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep looking up, because sometimes the universe looks back.